In the previous lesson, we used the reference point tool to create walls. When you want to extend or delete a segment of the wall without recreating from the beginning, what should we do? Allplan provides several functions to adjust the wall. Lesson of today, linear components. For every two distinct points in space, we can create a line. Similarly, for linear components, by simply selecting the first and last points, we will create the component. For example, walls and beams. We can understand more clearly through the following two examples. For example, I want to extend a wall to another wall's border. First, I choose the wall I want to extend, right-click and select. Join linear component. Then select the desired wall edge. At that time, the wall is stretched to the desired position. In case you just want to delete one part of long wall and keep the rest unchanged. What should we do? You also choose the wall you need to modify. Right-click select. Delete selection of linear component. To delete a section of wall, you choose to click 2 points only. To determine the range of wall segments you want to delete, and so a section of wall has been deleted. A long wall has become 2 shorter walls. I've just introduced you the way how to work with linear components. I will return to the original state. I will also erase this wall. This is the initial state. Our lesson up to here is the end. Next lesson, doors.